Look at this, 1.6 billion in 24 hours, the open interest in XRP is back to its highest level. After going down from a 24-hour high of $2.72 to a low of $2.361, XRP has been surrounded by a lot of turbulence. This is because the price dropped so low that the open interest OI and XRP futures dropped by more than 12% during the same time period, according to data from Coinglass. Even though the rate has gone down, the XRP open interest seems to be back to its highest point, with buyers committing almost 1.6 billion XRP across the board. The price of XRP has gone down by 4.56%, and it is now worth $2.57. Even if the trade volume was more than $34 billion, the fact that this indicator dropped by 34% shows that people's views have changed since the price marked 24 hours ago. The brief declaration of martial law in South Korea shut down the market that supplied the coin to regular people. This caused the price of XRP to buck the bullish trend it had been following. The price of an asset had to reset for a coin that was about to hit its all-time high of more than $3.84. This happened because retail traders were temporarily unable to do their jobs. Futures players are stepping in to help keep the mood up. The Relative Strength Index 87 on the XRPV's USDT 1D chart shows that the bullish excitement route XRP has not yet been washed away. At the moment, the ecosystem is waiting to see what happens. XRP whales have also helped keep the buying mood on the market. XRP's price is currently below average compared to where it was at the start of the week. This is making the cryptocurrency less useful generally. The XRP ledger system is currently getting defined updates. This means that applications that could make people want to buy the coin are getting the extra support they need. That being said, Ripple Labs is almost done with the launch process for its RLUSD stablecoin. It is expected that this stablecoin will make XRP more liquid, which will help to boost specialized trade even more. The company is almost done getting a license in the state of New York, which could mean that the coin's release is coming up soon. A lot of people thought that XRP would hit the historic $10,000 mark, but you know what? This new information gives that prediction a big push. How are things with the money? My name is Family, and I'm here to help you with everything XRP. Before we get to the main part of the show, let's quickly look at base. If you could please do me a small favor, please click the like button, subscribe, and turn on alerts. The fun part is about to begin as well. Think about the fact that big banks like Vanguard and BlackRock are now seriously considering using XRP for foreign transactions. There's no need to worry because things will get a lot better. Some people think that BlackRock will start an exchange-traded fund that is focused on XRP. You did understand, but that's not all. That doesn't meet my needs. Larry Fink doesn't. Have any other thoughts on the subject of the huge real estate business, which is estimated to be worth $3 trillion? I'll bet you can't guess what will happen to it next. The Global Swaps and Traders Association says it is worth 1.2 quadrillion. The XRP system can tokenize it when everything is ready. The price of 1,000 XRP or XRP is just the start. When people talk about Ripple and Ledger, XRP's value could hit $60,000. Right now it's top-notch. Move on to the next part. Some interesting footage will be in our movie. Ripple and its cryptocurrency XRP are going to go through a big change, putting everything into tokens. Another shocking discovery is that Larry, a member of BlackRock, thinks he is acting and not just talking. We're going to end the wait now. Now is the time to show you the video. Larry thinks that he is proving that BlackRock's plans to start an XRP exchange-traded fund are good. In order to show that we are serious about legitimizing Bitcoin and making it safer, we have put you in the official role of leader to show that our fund has a large share of the market. Now I want to know if you are going to invest your XRP in another ETF. What about a fund that trades on a stock market? Of course, I know that Ethereum is being used, but where is XRP? You're telling me I can't do it because that's not what you want. Even though I'm good at it, I can't do it. There has been a lot of strange behavior in the cryptocurrency market lately, especially with XRP on the well-known global exchange Crypto.com. Please don't have to rap for me. The process sent the price of XRP through the roof, reaching a huge $43,000. This is not a one-time thing. Instead, it's part of a bigger trend where the value of XRP is quickly going up. Do you remember how we talked about how a big exchange lost $7,000 worth of XRP last week? Do you mean Crypto.com? It looks like these quick price jumps for XRP happen all the time on a lot of exchanges. Now, though, we can move on to something else that I found through my study that is just as interesting. But this has nothing to do with BlackRock or the rise in the XRP market as a whole. We're talking about Gary Gendler, the well-known former SEC head who took over for Jake Clinton. XRP is regularly marked by Gendler as an investment, which you may already know. Now comes the interesting part. Robert M. Gensler is one of Gary Gendler's brothers and Gary's twin brother. Both in looks and age, the two boys couldn't be more alike. Robert is the vice president of the pricing office. Usually a commissioner works for a bank or the Federal Reserve. There is an interesting link between this and the fact that XRP has looked into it more. We'll see that pricing is not like other financial firms. It is instead one of the top places for big buyers to put their money into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Another thing that his twin brother does is work for an investment company and invest a lot of money in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. The study also brings up a lot of issues with the different ways Bitcoin is being invested in and regulated, which makes it an interesting read. This brings us to an appealing chance. Is it possible that Robert Gendler, VP of TRX Price, knows more about XRP's possibilities than anyone else? This is similar to what Ethereum and Bitcoin do. This argument starts to make sense when you consider how much the company has invested in these three coins and how strongly the SEC has denied any claims of insider trading. These inquiries into secret trading and market manipulation have repeatedly turned up practices that aren't quite right. Despite what many studies and investigations have said, a pattern seems to be taking shape. It looks like SEC employees are telling their family members about which digital assets will soon no longer be considered stocks. After this, these family members will put money into the market early.